What's up, guys? You're watching another video. Back out here in the GTR once again. I literally bought the F80 for a daily, and we were driving GTR all the time now. I have to drive it again. I love this color so much. I want to show it off more. I want more of you guys to see it. So we're about to head to another car meet today. Yes, another car meet. Are the car meet vlogs boring? Also, do you guys like these shoes or no?
They look hard.
You like them, bro? Peter? CTSV? But what do you guys think, guys? You guys like them? Very different.
How look big? They got pink shoes.
They look puffy, huh?
What size are we again?
And like we get the matching hat. Sheesh. Fire on. I was very iffy about them. I actually had these shoes for like 6 months and I haven't even worn them. It's the first time I ever worn them. Why is it going so slow? Look at this. It's gonna take forever. We taking the last bit of E85 with the gas station.
You're empty.
Empty, completely. Bro, we're literally gonna be here for. Look at this, bro.
I don't have that struggle.
No way.
I don't use E85.
Stop lying, Peter. But yeah, guys, if you guys have not seen the reveal already, we got the Millennium Jade GTR color now. This thing looks amazing, bro. I love it. Honestly, this might be my favorite wrap we've done so far. And I don't think I'm ever gonna get rid of it anytime soon. This will probably be the longest wrap that I keep on. All my other wraps, I've taken them off like in 6 months, something like that, but this is for sure gonna stay on forever, guys. This is like beautiful, bro. All right, I'm gonna just leave it right there, because this is, I swear to God, guys, we've been here for like 15 minutes and it's only at like 7 gallons, $24. There's no way, bro. I'm gonna go to another E85 station because that's gonna take forever to fill up.
Been here for 30 minutes.
We literally been here for 30 minutes, bro. That shit is not moving. I'm probably getting like the last drops to E85 this gas station probably had.
Shitty E85.
Probably like the worst E85. Anyways, let's head to this meet. It should be cool. A lot of hypercars again. Yesterday's meet was super crazy. Like hella cars, millions and millions and millions of dollars, maybe like $1 billion of cars. And today I think some of those cars are gonna be there again, so let's go. And we made it to the meet, guys. Me and Peter parked right here with a bunch of Skittles. Literally looks like Skittles, bro. All these supercars. We got Lambos, McLarens, more Lambos, Porsche, McLaren. Bro, every single color is here. Look at this. Looks like Skittles, bro. My favorite. Must be nice. Got the Senna seats in there too. Yeah, there's so many bright colors here. Let's go check out some cool cars. I heard there's a bunch of sick cars here. My boy Jason's F80. Damn, those are so sick. Hella sick cars here. It is a ZR1. Wow, bro. You guys know I still want a freaking vet. Still want to do it. Probably not a ZR1. This is big baller level right here. America? You can see the supercharger to the hood. I heard the crazy cars are in here, so let's go look. Oh my God, there is crazy cars in here. Pretty sure a lot of these cars were at that meet yesterday, guys. So you're about to see a lot of the same cars, but it doesn't hurt to see more Paganis. All carbon fiber, bro. Every single panel on this car is carbon fiber. That is insane, dude. Look at the exhaust in there. This shit is beautiful. This whole car is like a work of art. Where do you even drive this to? Taco Bell? Knowing me, I would daily drive it. I'll put 100,000 miles on it. You guys remember this spot? We actually been here for another meet, but this thing is sick. La Ferrari the Jamba Juice? La Ferrari, the Ferrari. Literally the Ferrari. Damn, we got Kevin under the lighting. You like my shoes?
Rich.
Are they cool?
Matching. Hey.
What is this? This is a flying car? There's no way. Put me in the shit. I'll fly it. That's just all carbon. It does not look comfortable. That's crazy.
I'll get an orange.
No way. Bro, imagine we all have those one day.
Pull it up to the car.
That would be funny. What the heck? Oh, this is like complete opposite of all the cars that are in here. Got an old school car. SVJ. My freaking dream car. Even though there's like a lot of crazy cars, I think I would still take this, guys. Realistically, no, because these cost like triple. You can buy how many SVJs can you buy, which is the price of this? But I just love SVJs. I love how they look. Okay, I'll buy one of those and just sell it and get a bunch of SVJs. That thing is sick. Look at this spec. Got lime green with the satin blue exterior paint, and then the matching brake calipers are. What do all these guys do for a living? Like, what do these guys do for a living, bro? We saw this one yesterday at the meet too. Got the blue carbon fiber everywhere. Look at the windshield. It's looking like an airplane cockpit, bro. It even has one windshield wiper. Full carbon fiber wheels, full carbon fiber body. You can stare at these cars all day, literally. 277 miles per hour. I believe it, bro. This shit is hella fast. Imagine going 277 miles per hour. What's the fastest you guys ever been? Comment down below. In Mexico. In Mexico, I think I've been like 170, I think. That's the fastest I've been. But you guys comment down below. What's the fastest? Definitely not 277, huh? In Forza. The F40 here. Sick. Manual. Transmission. It's a full-on race car. I think this is like the race car edition one. That's hard. And then Centenario. Is that how you say it? Centenario? Centenario? This shit is badass, guys. Full carbon fiber Lambo. Wow, dude. There's so many cars in that are full carbon. Like, look at this design of the door. All carbon fiber. That is ridiculous, bro. Shit is crazy. Yeah, this might be one of my favorite cars here. It's pretty much like an Aventador on steroids. Wow, bro. This is literally like a futuristic Aventador. I want this, but all the blue accents to red. Look at the rear design, like so futuristic.
Don't you hate the US? Because all the US has to have those reflectors.
No way, those are reflectors? Those are ugly. I would black them out. What the? It's just full carbon too? Well, everything here is full carbon fiber at this meet. How expensive would it be to get a full carbon fiber GTR? Freaking Pagani. Isn't this a Zonda or something? How expensive is this car? How much money is here right now? This is ridiculous, bro. Look at the mirrors. So sick. My favorite thing has to be the exhaust. With the quad exhaust in the middle. I like how you had to zip tie the license plate on because there's nowhere to put it. It's a race car. Every single part on this car is carbon, guys. Same with that one. Even this Porsche is full carbon. This is ridiculous, bro. I think they're actual diamonds in the paint, I believe. Guys, I was curious to see, and look at this. Carbon fiber wheels and Michelin Cup 2 tires cost $110,000, bro. Just for these wheels. Imagine you curb it. The wheels literally cost more than my GTR, bro. Literally. The wheels cost as much like an R8. Literally feels like we're in Forza, bro. Oh, it's an F40. I missed it, guys. Sounds so sick. Damn. My boy, vehicle versions. All right, those cars in there are ridiculous. Let's go look at some normal cars now. This is where the normal people parked. We said Kevin's BMW. I almost brought my BMW, but like I said, I want to show off my Millennium Jade Wrap still. E90 M3. White on white looks good. Those wheels look kind of cool too. Got an F80, G80. That front end is crazy. This might be one of the best looking Teslas I've ever seen. God damn, that shit is hard. Guys, I would actually get a Tesla, I'm not gonna lie. Is this a plaid too? It is a plaid, bro. That is badass. Look at the wing, the wheels, and it even has red interior. Which I don't know if they actually make red interior or not, but it might be custom, bro. That is sick. Another G82 with that crazy exhaust. $9,000 option, I think. I'm gonna ask Kevin. Kevin knows everything about Beamers. But I believe this is a $9,000 option, bro. Would you guys spend the extra $9K for that exhaust? Center exit, it's kind of cool. It's very different, and you don't really see it on other cars. How much is that exhaust? Oh my. We're missing it, Kevin.
Huh?
We're missing the revenue. How much is that exhaust? Like Daniel's?
That one's like $8,000, I think.
8?
Yeah,
oh
8,000.
my. I honestly don't even know what it is, but it's that YouTuber Shmee's car. That thing is wild. Definitely looks like something straight out the future. Carbon fiber wheels. Wow, that thing's actually sick. Damn, look at the exhaust and the wing. I literally don't know what it's called. Zenvo? I'm not gonna lie, I don't know what that is. Probably the only R32 here and the only other GTR here too. I've not seen any other GTR, just mine and this one. You guys all know, I really want an R32 GTR. It's one of the cars on my bucket list. And I always said, it's gonna be my first right-hand drive car I buy, watch. Remember this clip. I'm gonna buy R32 GTR one day, guys. Favorite body style of the Skylines. Obviously, I love R34s too. R34 is a dream car, but R32 is definitely one of my favorites, for sure. Looks so sick. I'm probably the most affordable one. The 34s are out of this world. I like how no one's looking at this. Freaking LFA just sitting over here, getting like like no attention, bro. Everyone's looking at the crazy carbon fiber cars, but I think they're forgetting what car this is. Freaking LFA, bro. When do you ever get to see one of these cars? This has to be the best sounding car. I remember like years ago, I was small, when the commercial came out of this thing like breaking the glass. Do you remember that commercial? Do you remember?
It had the wine glass.
Yeah, they put the wine glass and it broke the glass. Who remembers that commercial, bro? I was a little kid and I was like, God damn, that is like the sickest sounding car I've ever heard. And it still is the sickest sounding car, bro. I don't think no one's ever made a better sounding car.
This is the CGT. I always like this.
This, bro, sounds insane. This and SVJ's. I feel like this one has like a very high pitched tone. Higher than SVJ. All right, we out. We about to go grab some food with Josh and a bunch of other homies. Get some more content for you guys. God damn, bro. Josh is letting the little kid rev it. That was funny. God bro. That kid was redlining the heck out of the Lambo. I swear Josh has the loudest Lambo. Bro, your motor. Alright guys, we brought the supercars to McDonald's. This is how we're able to afford the supercar still, you know? Just kidding. But yeah, we got Josh, we got Peter, we got my GTR, and we got the two McLarens. That one's sick, that's like the new one.
We about to eat good.
We about to eat good?
We about to eat good.
I told him this is how we afford our supercars, you know?
That's how Nick got the new rap.
We gotta eat at the McDonald's. Guys, what is that, bro? She was strapped a teddy bear on a car. That teddy bear's the size of the car. He's filming my car, but I'm filming his car, bro. What the heck? There's no way. Look where we are. We're about to take the GTR through there. Tomorrow we are tinting the GTR finally. Oh damn, there's a whole car meet here at the car wash. So tomorrow morning I'm tinting the GTR and he told me to get the car washed before we bring it in. So finally, after like 3 years of owning this car, we're gonna tint the windows. They already have like a slight tint on it, but it's very, very light. And I want them dark like the F80. So we're gonna get the car washed tonight. But not only are we doing it for that reason, but we're also doing it for content reasons too. Because I seen somebody wash their car at this car wash on Instagram, and it makes for a very cool Instagram reel. So that's what we're about to do today. And hopefully, bro, this does not mess up my wrap. Just wrapped the car. And if this messes up my wrap, I'm gonna be hella sad, bro. I'm gonna try to stand outside so I can film it and make like a cool little cinematic of it getting washed. I think it'll be cool. I'm gonna try to pull in and hop out to record before the water starts. If I jump out and start soaking me like that, I'm gonna be pissed. But I gotta get out and shoot this content. Bro, look how crazy that is. So it is 100% touchless. It's just water, but yo, if that shit sprays hard and peels my wrap, I'm gonna be pissed. I'm scared. I don't even think you're supposed to jump out and film, but you know what? I'm doing it. I gotta get out. 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 Yeah, I don't think you're supposed to get out, but I did it. We did it. I don't know how, but we did it, guys. That was pretty sick, I'm not gonna lie. The car is pretty clean too.
It looks good.
There's a lot of water on it though. It didn't
Hello,
dry
water.
it that good, but overall, pretty good. Honestly, I could go right here and just extra dry it right here. It's so funny how many like car guys are at this car wash. I really think that like that Instagram reel went a little viral, and like now everyone's finding out where the car wash is at. It's literally like a car guy car wash. It's perfect for us car guys. I really wish one of these were by the house. But you know what's funny? What comes to my mind when I see stuff like this is, there's none by our house. Why don't I open one? Why don't I try to fucking, how much does it cost to make this? And how can I make more money? That's what I think about, guys, when I see ideas. Alright, we'll see what else we do today. Guys, look, we're literally back in the same exact spot that we were at earlier. This is where those hypercars were. This is literally where the car meet was. There's probably Pagani still in there. But now we're about to take some pictures. About to take some pictures here. She looks sick.
back.
You're back, Nico. You want to race finally? Let's race. Just one little race.
Why you want to race? You always want to race. Bro, obviously you're going to win right now. Because
I want to see how bad I beat you.
No.
A stock GTR versus full bolt on?
We can race, but not on camera. Full bolt on.
And then I'll race you on my F80.
Next month, I'm literally... Oh, we'll race the F80.
See, you just want to win.
Next month, my car goes for full bolt on, so we'll race.
That's just going to be sick. We got my boy Sergio taking some pictures.
Yeah.
Sheesh. So you guys will see these on Instagram soon. That shit's so shiny, bro. Dude, that car wash actually worked pretty good. I don't know about the wheels are still dirty, but the wrap itself looks hella shiny. I literally just sit here and keep staring at it, guys. Looks so good.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.